Hello everyone, welcome to lecture 1 of the Mini Delta PLC programming course. Today in this course we're going to start discussing Delta PLC simulation and how you can achieve this. And this is mainly just for people who don't have a hardware PLC to play around with, to try out some Delta PLC programming techniques. So we're just going to quickly just go through what you're going to be learning in this first lecture. So we're going to be installing ComGR and ISPsoft, which is the two main softwares which allows us to write our code and also for us to create a simulator which we can test our code on. Then we're going to be setting up the Delta PLC programming simulator. I'm going to write a very basic first program and we're just going to play around with inputs just to show you how we can test our program in online mode in the software. So first of all, you just want to go to the Delta website in the download center, and then you would want to select industrial automation, select product subcategory, and select PLC programmable logic controllers. You'd want to select software and hit submit. Then the two pieces of software you're going to be downloading is ComGR version 1.09, just a zip file here, and ISPsoft version 3.05. So go ahead and download that and install it on your Windows machine. And then I'm going to now move on to setting up the actual simulator. First of all, you're going to start with ComGR. So I've got a few connections already set up, but what you're going to do is click on add, and we're going to call this simulator, and we're going to make the type DVP simulator. Just take note of the device settings, so it's EH2 SV or old series. Just going to say OK, and we're going to select our simulator and click start. Next we're going to open up ISPsoft. So this is what you will get in the beginning when you haven't started a project. So all you'll do is just go to File, New, and create a new project. Let's just call it Test Project. And basically we need to match this to our simulator, this PLC type. So if we go back to ComGR, just see what we made it. It's EH2 SV series, so we just need to match that to EH2. So OK. So now we given a new project, and the first thing we want to do is just go here to Programs and click on New. So we've got a few different types of languages we can use. We can use ladder diagram, which most people are familiar with and understand, instruction list and sequential function charts. For this tutorial, we're just going to do the ladder diagram. First thing we want to do before we start writing any ladder code is to make sure that our communication settings is correct and that we've got it allocated to our simulator. Okay. Now I can actually start typing out our program. First we'll do is just click on the first rung, hit spacebar, type LDM0. So this will be our input. Just click again, spacebar, out, M1. All we need to do to compile a program and go into online mode where we can try and simulate this, just to click on online mode. And so, as been compiled here, do you want to compile? Yes, we do. I want to download the current open program PLC, so this will be our virtual simulator PLC. Yes. And just one thing to note here is that you need to make sure that the simulator is in run mode. Here it says stop, so in order to put it into run mode, just click this run button over here and say yes. Okay, so just make sure it's in run, and once that has happened, you can just click on your input and set it to on, and you will see that M1 will turn on. So guys, that's all for this tutorial, just to show you how you can simulate a hardware PLC on your computer so that you can start writing code and testing your code and so on. So just